Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how we interpret solutions to systems once we've found those solutions. And we're just going to look at a couple of examples with some multiple choice questions that follow and try and come up with the best answers that we can for those. And the first problem we look at here says, suppose you bought 5 oranges and 4 grapefruits for a total of $4.90 from the local fruit stand. The next day you went back and bought 7 oranges and 3 grapefruits for $3.50. How much does each type of fruit cost? And then it says you solve the system below to answer the question. And we see the system 5x plus 4y equals 4.90 and 7x plus 3y equals 3.50. And it says here you found the solution 0.50, comma 0.60. So in order to answer this question here, we have to kind of look at and figure out which of these, we know this is an ordered pair, x, y. So the question is, which variable stands for x and which variable stands for y? And so we kind of compare. We've got 5x and 7x in our two equations. Those correspond to the 5 oranges and 7 oranges that we bought. And so we can identify that x is the cost of an orange. And correspondingly, y is the cost of grapefruit. And so, based off of knowing that the solution is this ordered pair 0.50, 0.60, we know that 50 cents is the cost of an orange, and 60 cents is the cost of grapefruit. And so we can identify which of these statements is true. First statement, the cost of 1 grapefruit is 50 cents. Nope, that's not true. Second statement, the cost of 1 orange is 50 cents. Yeah, it looks like that one is true. Part C, the cost of 1 orange is 60 cents. Nope, that's false. And third, oranges cost 10 cents more than grapefruits. No, actually grapefruits cost 10 cents more than oranges. So we see that B is the only true statement here based off of this problem scenario. Alright, next example. Coach of a baseball team went to the sporting goods store and bought 5 gloves and 2 bats for $150. Another coach went to the same store and bought 7 gloves and 4 bats for $264. How much do gloves cost and how much do bats cost at this store? So you solve the system below to answer the question. We've got the system 5x plus 2y equals 150, which we notice comes from this statement right here. And we've got the statement, the equation 7x plus 4y equals 264, which comes from this statement here. So what do the variables x and y stand for in this system? Well, it looks like x stands for the cost of the glove, and y stands for the cost of the bat. And so 1 glove costs $12, and 1 bat costs $45. Now the question here at the bottom asks us which of the following statements is false. So let's go through and look at these. First, the cost of 1 glove and 1 bat is $57. Well, if we add these two together, 12 plus 45, that gives us 57. So that statement's true, but we're looking for a statement that's false. So that is not our correct answer. Part B, cost of 2 gloves and 4 bats is $204. I need my calculator for this. Where are you, calculator? There you are. And so 2 gloves each cost $12, and 4 bats each cost $45. And we get 204. So it looks like that statement is also true. The next statement, the cost of 3 gloves and 2 bats is $159. Let's see, 3 gloves, $12 a piece, and 2 bats, $45 a piece. It's $126. So it looks like this is the one that is false. Let's just Oh my goodness, I've got a typo. Looks like this one, part D, is also... Wait, no. What am I talking about? Whew. I'm losing my mind here. Bats cost $33 more than gloves. That's true since bats are $45 and gloves are $12. Bats do cost $33 more than gloves, so that's a true statement. And so C is the only false solution. Alright, sorry I lost my mind there for a second. That's the end of this video. See you next time when we look a little bit more at interpreting solutions to systems.